Hey, it's Dr. Toger, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I know you're losing track of time on your calendar there, but Mother's Day is on May 11th this year, and that's right around the corner. And if you're like me, you struggle to figure out what are you going to get mom for Mother's Day, and I'm sure my kids are thinking the same thing. What are they going to get me? Last year I got my mother a really great present. She still talks about it. It's a monthly subscription to a company called Tea Runners. Every month they make for her a little package. It's nicely wrapped and it has multiple different loose leaf envelopes of different flavored teas, uniquely crafted. It's always fresh, it's always delicious. And I think that's an amazing subscription that you could get for your mom. Get her a 6 month subscription. They'll even send her the teapot. Now, the only thing that you need is to give her a little bit of your time. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.